14:22. Now the field in the 100 hurdles, Class 3A for the state championship. In lane number 1, Mia Dorsey, the Lancers, Belleville East. In 2, Tanea Foy, the Warriors, Crete Moni, Will County. In 3, from Lincoln Way East, Alexis Pierre-Antoine. In 4, from Huntley, Macy Tremblay. In the middle, from Homewood Flossmoor, Jayla Stewart. In 6, from Evanston Township, Remy Armetefio. In 7, Oak Park Fenwick, Grace Cronin. In 8, Eva Burke, Cary Grove. And in 9, Emma Haugen, LaGrange Lyons Township. We'll go to the starter. Can we have quiet, please? The coach from Champaign, St. Thomas More, to the dugout. Coach from Champaign, St. Thomas More, to the dugout. In the middle, Jayla Stewart with 3 preliminary wins listed. Let's see if she can get it. This is Stewart of Homewood Flossmoor. Clearly now Stewart. 7 is Cronin of Oak Park Fenwick. And then 6, Armetefio of Remy. It's Stewart with the win, Homewood Flossmoor. With Grace Cronin not far behind for Oak Park Fenwick. Stewart, 4th win in a row in a race here. She's going to double back in the 100 in just a few minutes. Let's see how her time came for the 100 hurdles. Homewood Flossmoor, the unofficial win.
The final call for 3A discus.
Final call, 3A discus. Final call, 3A discus. We've had a call for the wheelchair division, 100. Those are the pole vault results.